Why do we hear so much about the multiverse nowadays? Hey, fellow curious minds. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most mind-boggling concepts of our time, the multiverse. You might be wondering, why is there so much buzz around the multiverse these days? Well, get ready to have your mind blown as we explore the incredible reasons behind the multiverse craze. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our thought-provoking content. The rise of popular culture. To understand why we hear so much about the multiverse nowadays, we have to look at how it's taken the world of pop culture by storm. From the movies like Spider-Man, Into the Spider-Verse, The Flash, and many MCU movies to mind-bending TV shows like Stranger Things and Rick and Morty, the multiverse has become a fascinating playground for storytellers and creators. These fictional portrayals have sparked an intense interest in the concept among fans, leading to an explosion of discussions, theories, and speculations about its existence in real life. Scientific advancements. But it's not just in the realm of entertainment where the multiverse is making waves. In recent years, mind-blowing scientific discoveries and theories have given the concept a more tangible footing. Take, for example, the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics, proposed by the great physicist Hugh Everett. This theory suggests that every quantum event gives rise to a branching of multiple universes, each representing a different outcome. Mind-bending, right? If you like the MCU show, Loki, this concept of a timeline or quantum event with multiverse is shown in detail. The search for answers. The quest to understand our universe and its origins has always fascinated humanity. And now, with the multiverse in the spotlight, scientists, astrophysicists, and cosmologists are working tirelessly to find evidence that supports the existence of parallel universes. The Large Hadron Collider, for instance, has been at the forefront of experimental physics, hoping to catch a glimpse of other dimensions and hidden realms. Though we haven't found concrete evidence yet, the mere possibility has sparked a fire of curiosity within the scientific community. The philosophical implications. Beyond the scientific and entertainment aspects, the multiverse also holds profound philosophical implications. The idea that there could be multiple versions of ourselves and countless paths our lives could take challenges our understanding of reality and self-identity. It makes us question our place in the grand tapestry of existence and opens up a world of philosophical pondering about destiny, choice, and the interconnectedness of all things. In conclusion, the fascination with the multiverse stems from a perfect storm of factors: its integration into pop culture, groundbreaking scientific theories, the search for answers, and the deep philosophical questions it raises. What do you think about the multiverse? Do you believe it's just a compelling idea for storytelling, or could it be a fundamental aspect of our reality? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed exploring the mysteries of the multiverse with us, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow cosmic enthusiasts. And as always, remember to subscribe to our channel and turn on those notifications, so you never miss out on our future explorations into the fascinating wonders of the universe. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious.